Hi guys, quick look at the markets. We're 45 minutes off of the US close, so you need to check your charts after the close. We look as if we're trying to hold 11,000 here on the Dow futures. It is a hammer-like bar with a gap to the 8. If you are to take it, based on the fib level, the RSI, etc., you would need a pretty big stop. That's assuming we do close up here above 11,000. If we close any lower, I wouldn't touch it. If we close above 11, you could take a break of 11,180, as long as you're prepared to have a big stop. We look at the dollar index. The dollar's pretty much in a box, like the euro and like the pound. So at the moment we look as if we could come up here, but there's so little confidence in the dollar at the moment, based on the debt levels and the new debt ceiling that's just been raised. So the dollar's just not getting bought, which is unusual when there's so much fear around. So it shows you the lack of confidence in the dollar. However, as you can see, we've got the gold is steaming ahead. Potential little topping tail up here with a gap and RSI. If you're in the gold, you might want to at least take some profits off, or there is a case for taking your profits off here, because markets will want to fill that gap. We are some distance away from the 50 EMA. The RSI is very overbought, so that's your call. I certainly would not entertain any longs going long at all. Silver is just getting left, pushed aside. I wouldn't touch it. The natural gas is the only thing I'm interested in. Not very much setting up at the moment. I do like this hammer on the natural gas. I'm going to be a buyer of an ETF on natural gas. Let's see if I can get up to at least 4.3 and maybe beyond. It's the only thing that looks vaguely interesting on the commodity front. Corn, I'm watching, is just not behaving, not doing much. No clear story in the daily. Quick look at just a very few forex charts. The euro did move up as I suggested and sold off. We're just trapped in a range. I can't see a clear direction in the euro, so I certainly would not swing trade it, and just looking for my usual setups on the 60-minute charts. Pound, very similar story. It's trapped pretty much in a box. It's touched resistance today and come back down. So just looking to see if I would trade that intraday. I would not swing trade that. I would look to see if we can break up through 64.77, but the dollar index does look as if it may want to come up, so that therefore I may be tomorrow looking for shorts on a breakdown of that area there. But obviously I'll be looking for CBOs, climatic breakouts in the 60-minute chart. The only swing trade that I can see is this one here, the Euro CAD. It's a hangman at major resistance. So what I'm looking to do is to take a break of this bar here, 40.60, 140.60 with a stop at 41.65. I'll put about 110 point stop on that to see if I can at least get back down to the 50 EMA. The lower low down here is potentially making a double top with the hangman, so I'm prepared to risk 100 points to see if I can get a trade out of that one. Okay, so hope that helps, and email me any questions. Watch out for a lot of news from Trade Easy Way this week with improvements and etc. I would welcome your feedback, any suggestions, comments, criticisms, praise, any comments at all. Please email me or message me, and hope to see you in the next update.